Discover your personality, 9 attitudes that shape who you are. Personality is a fascinating mix of traits, behaviors, and attitudes that make each of us unique. While we often hear about personality types or traits, such as being introverted or extroverted, what's equally important is how our attitudes shape who we are. Attitudes are the mental and emotional lenses through which we see the world, influencing our decisions, relationships, and overall life journey. In this video, we'll explore 9 key attitudes that help define your personality, giving you insights into who you are and how you can navigate life with a better understanding of yourself. By the end, you may discover new dimensions of yourself or even recognize attitudes you hadn't considered before. 1. Optimism, the bright side of life. Optimism is an attitude that views life through a positive lens. People with optimistic attitudes tend to believe that good things will happen, even in challenging circumstances. This doesn't mean they ignore difficulties. Rather, they approach challenges with the belief that they can overcome them. Optimists are generally more resilient, bounce back from setbacks quicker, and find solutions to problems more easily. If you're someone who tends to see the glass as half full, you're likely cultivating an attitude of optimism, which can shape a hopeful and proactive approach to life. 2. Pessimism, the protective lens. On the flip side, there's pessimism, which is often misunderstood. While it's easy to see pessimism as negative, people with this attitude often use it as a protective lens. Pessimists are more cautious, thinking of what could go wrong before making decisions. This can sometimes be an asset, helping them avoid risks that might lead to failure. Pessimism can push you to prepare for worst-case scenarios, giving you a practical edge when navigating uncertain situations. However, it's important to find balance, as too much pessimism can lead to overthinking or missed opportunities. 3. Curiosity, the drive to learn and explore. Curiosity is a driving force in shaping your personality. People with a curious attitude are constantly seeking new experiences, knowledge, and challenges. They ask questions, seek answers, and are always eager to learn something new. Curiosity not only fuels personal growth but also keeps life exciting. If you often find yourself exploring new hobbies, reading up on diverse topics, or diving deep into new skills, you're someone who thrives on curiosity. This attitude opens doors to continuous learning, which helps shape a dynamic and ever-evolving personality. 4. Gratitude, the power of appreciation. Gratitude is an attitude that involves focusing on the positives in your life and appreciating what you have, rather than focusing on what you lack. People with a strong attitude of gratitude are often happier, more satisfied with life, and less prone to stress. They take the time to acknowledge the good in their lives, which in turn shapes a more content and fulfilled personality. Gratitude helps you maintain perspective, especially in tough times, reminding you of the value in even the smallest blessings. Practicing gratitude can lead to a greater sense of inner peace and emotional stability. 5. Perseverance, the attitude of never giving up. Perseverance is an attitude that speaks to your ability to keep going, even when things get tough. This mindset reflects determination and a refusal to quit. People with a persevering attitude are often more successful because they push through obstacles and learn from failures. This attitude shapes a resilient personality, one that is not easily swayed by setbacks or challenges. If you find yourself sticking with your goals even when the going gets tough, you're demonstrating perseverance, a powerful attitude that can lead you to long-term success. 6. Empathy, the heart of connection. Empathy is an attitude that allows you to understand and share the feelings of others. It's about seeing the world from someone else's perspective and responding with kindness and understanding. People with empathetic attitudes often form deep, meaningful relationships because they are able to connect with others on a profound emotional level. Empathy fosters a personality that is compassionate, caring, and attuned to the needs of others. If you're someone who easily senses what others are feeling and responds with support, you possess an attitude that shapes you into a person of emotional depth. 7. Self-confidence, believing in yourself. Self-confidence is an attitude that reflects how much you believe in your abilities and self-worth. A person with a confident attitude approaches life with the belief that they can achieve their goals and handle whatever comes their way. This doesn't mean they never feel doubt or fear, but they trust themselves enough to take action. Confidence shapes a bold and courageous personality, empowering you to take risks and pursue your dreams. If you often believe in your potential and aren't afraid to step outside of your comfort zone, you're embracing a self-confident attitude that leads to personal growth and success. 8. Flexibility, adapting to change. Life is full of surprises, and how you handle change says a lot about your personality. Flexibility is an attitude that reflects your ability to adapt to new situations, ideas, or challenges. People with a flexible attitude are more open-minded and willing to adjust their plans or beliefs when necessary. This attitude helps you navigate life's ups and downs with greater ease, shaping a personality that is resilient, resourceful, and open to learning from every experience. If you can go with the flow when things don't go as planned, you're practicing the attitude of flexibility, a key trait in a world that's constantly changing. 9. Patience, the art of waiting. Patience is an attitude of calmness and endurance, especially in the face of delays or challenges. People with a patient attitude don't rush or get frustrated when things don't happen immediately. They understand that good things often take time and are willing to wait for results. Patience shapes a personality that is steady, thoughtful, and composed, allowing you to handle stress and setbacks with grace. If you're someone who can remain calm when things don't move as quickly as you'd like, you're embodying a patient attitude, which can lead to greater success in the long run. Shaping your future with attitude. Your personality is more than just a set of traits, it's a reflection of the attitudes you carry with you. Whether you tend to be optimistic, empathetic, or persevering, these attitudes shape how you see the world and interact with it. By understanding and developing these 9 attitudes, optimism, pessimism, curiosity, gratitude, perseverance, empathy, self-confidence, flexibility, and patience, you can gain deeper insight into who you are and how you can continue to grow. Ultimately, the attitudes you choose to cultivate will determine not only the person you are today but also the person you'll become in the future. So, which of these attitudes resonates most with you, and how can you use them to shape a life full of purpose, connection, and success?